welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a ballet teacher and my aim is to help you get better at ballet. I trained a long time ago, back in the day when we didn't really learn about the mechanics of how to do each exercise, and that's what I'd like to share with you, because now as a ballet teacher I understand how using correct technique can actually help you perform the steps even better, get your extensions higher, get your feet looking prettier, and make everything come together through using correct technique, and also bear in mind your own personal mobility, ability and facility. And I want to work with you to make your ballet the best it can possibly be. You may be a pre-professional student, you may be an adult dancer just enjoying your ballet classes and wanting to do the best, or you may be a student working towards your exams and just wanting to try a little bit harder and see if you can make things work a little bit better for you. And that's what I'm here to help you do. I'm also looking at ways you can improve your performance. Some people find it really hard to just express themselves. You may get feedback saying, oh, you're not as expressive as you'd like to be in your face, or you're not pulling the movement through to your body, you're not expressing the music. So I'm going to give you some practical tips on how you can use your breath, your face, the way you move, how you can listen to the music and interpret it and find your way of really improving your ballet. So join me on this journey and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.